Here's how I made this. First, I shot myself on a green screen. I used the key light effect to remove the green screen. If you change the viewer setting to screen matte, you can see the problematic areas and make adjustments as needed. I used the invert so it would look like an X-ray, then use the tint and levels to get it to a desired look. You can use the hue and saturation effect to shift the specific color, but if you need more control, you can use the Lumetri color effect. For finishing touches on my green screen key, I use a matte choker, an edge blur, and light wrap to help blend the foreground in with the background.